Hello everyone, you can see here some of the brush marks over here. Many places you can see brush marks and this surface looking uneven. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove this brush marks. So how can you make this surface even? So first of all, let me tell you something that you can see here. It's a little light, and here it's very dark, here it's very dark, here it's very dark, here it's light, here it's light, here it's light. I mean, here it's less color has come here and more color has been is here. So how to fix it? So let's start. You know that that white color is used for blending. So if you're using acrylic color also, then this, or poster color, whether acrylic or postal, this postal or watercolor, this trick will work for all. For oil painting also this will work. So let's start. You need what a white color for this. It could be anything. So first water dip your brush in water and remove the extra water, and now dip. You can see I have taken very less color. Okay, so you have to take very less color. So let's fix here. So do it like this. So you can see the surface is getting very smooth. You can compare. I cannot compare right now because I have colored the whole part. Only less part is left. So the trick is this, that you have to use white color. Okay, it's not trick still. Actually, white color always smoothens the surface. It is used for blending. You can, if you are using oil pastel also, then this trick will work. I often use this. वैसे oil pastel में you know that there's no watermark. I mean, sorry, no brush mark, because we don't use brush there. So use white color where at the place where you think that the surface is uneven. So I think here the surface is uneven, so I'm using white color over here. You can see my hand movements. Use this trick, use this type of hand movements for blending. And use water always. You have seen that I have used water many times, several times. So you should also use water, because water makes it reactive. I mean, makes the surface mixable, so that the colors can blend with each other. Actually, here you can see a bit, so let's fix that also. So you can compare the surface at beginning, that the surface is not, that was not much, that was very uneven, and you can see the surface now is very smooth. You can see the surface is completely even. So you can use this trick for your, so because this is a very good trick, you can see. So that's all. Thank you.